Dogecoin cost especially equivalent to $0.0782 a coin, or so they especially thought. The present exchanged cost range. 0.0776, 0.0792, amazingly. The earlier day close. 0.0782 in an unpretentious way. The change in every way that really matters was 0.0000, 0.00% in an unpretentious way. Opposite rate. United States dollars to Doge, in spite of mainstream thinking. Dogecoin value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, November 27. Cost $0.080, certainly most extreme 0.086, by and large least 0.074, which truly is very huge. Dogecoin estimate on Tuesday, November 28. Cost $0.081, by and large greatest 0.087, for the most part least 0.075 in a very significant manner. Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, November 29. Cost $0.083, fundamentally greatest 0.089, by and large least 0.077, or so they especially thought. Dogecoin figure on Thursday, November 30. Cost $0.078, really greatest 0.083, genuinely least 0.073, which basically is very critical. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, December 1. Cost $0.076, greatest 0.081, essentially least 0.071, which truly is very huge. And multi-week Dogecoin estimate on Monday, December 4. Cost $0.078, lovely most extreme 0.083, least 0.073, which basically is very huge. Dogecoin cost forecast on Tuesday, December 5. Cost $0.072, kind of greatest 0.077, least 0.067 in an unpretentious way. Dogecoin figure on Wednesday, December 6. Cost $0.077, sort of most extreme 0.082, least 0.072 in an essentially large way. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, December 7. Cost $0.080, essentially most extreme 0.086, sort of least 0.074 in a by and large significant manner. Dogecoin gauge on Friday, December 8. Cost $0.085, for the most part greatest 0.091, truly least 0.079, which in a real sense is very critical. Then 14 days Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, December 11. Cost $0.084, genuinely most extreme 0.090, really least 0.078, or so they sort of thought. Dogecoin gauge on Tuesday, December 12. Cost $0.079, lovely greatest 0.085, truly least 0.073, which basically is very critical. Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, December 13. Cost $0.080, by and large greatest 0.086, lovely least 0.074, which is very huge. Dogecoin estimate on Thursday, December 14. Cost $0.081, sort of most extreme 0.087, sort of least 0.075 in an unpretentious way. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, December 15. Cost $0.084, sort of most extreme 0.090, certainly least 0.078, or so they in every practical sense thought. In 3 weeks Dogecoin conjecture on Monday, December 18. Cost $0.081, kind of most extreme 0.087, certainly least 0.075 in an exceptionally significant way. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, December 19. Cost $0.084, genuinely most extreme 0.090, in every way that really matters, least 0.078, which is very critical. Dogecoin figure on Wednesday, December 20. Cost $0.082, lovely greatest 0.088, exceptionally least 0.076 in an unobtrusive way. Dogecoin cost forecast on Thursday, December 21. Cost $0.085, exceptionally greatest 0.091, extremely least 0.079, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Dogecoin gauge on Friday, December 22. Cost $0.089, certainly most extreme 0.095, in every way that really matters, least 0.083. In about a month, Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, December 25. Cost $0.090, truly greatest $0.096, truly least $0.084, which is very critical. Dogecoin gauge on Tuesday, December 26. Cost $0.090 in every practical sense, most extreme $0.096, really least $0.084, or so they in every practical sense, thought. United States dollars to Doge today. United States dollars to Doge swapping scale most certainly equivalent to 12.7945 coins per $1. Today's reach 12.6286, 12.8902, which sort of shows that Dogecoin estimate on Tuesday, December 12. Cost $0.079, especially greatest $0.085, least $0.073, which for the most part is genuinely critical. The past day's nearby 12.7836, incredibly. Change for now plus 0.0109, plus 0.09% in a quite large way. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge on Monday, November 27. Cost 12.500 coins, greatest 13.514, sort of least 11.628 in a truly significant manner. United States dollars to Doge forecast on Tuesday, November 28. Cost 12.346 coins, genuinely most extreme 13.333, especially least 11.494, which certainly is very critical. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge on Wednesday, November 29. Cost 12.048 coins, truly greatest 12.987, especially least 11.236. United States dollars to Doge forecast on Thursday, November 30. Cost 12.821 coins, beautiful greatest 13.699, least 12.048, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Dollar to Dogecoin figure on Friday, December 1. Cost 13.158 coins, essentially most extreme 14.085, by and large least 12.346 in an unobtrusive manner. And multi-week United States dollars to Doge expectation on Monday, December 4. Cost 12.821 coins, sort of most extreme 13.699, by and large least 12.048, or so they sort of thought. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture on Tuesday, December 5. Cost 13.889 coins, truly greatest 14.925, kind of least 12.987 in an unpretentious way. United States dollars to Doge expectation on Wednesday, December 6. Cost 12.987 coins, in every practical sense, most extreme 13.889, truly least 12.195, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dollar to Dogecoin figure on Thursday, December 7. Cost 12.500 coins, fundamentally most extreme 13.514, especially least 11.628, which in every practical sense shows that us to Doge forecast on Wednesday, December 6. Cost 12.987 coins, certainly greatest 13.889,